What's the meaning of cementation? Cementation. Cementation.
Cementation. Cementation. Cementation refers to the process of binding together particles or components into a solid mass by using a cementing agent. The result of cementation is a strong, hard, and durable material that is resistant to wear and erosion. Cementation is commonly used in construction to join materials such as bricks, stones, and tiles, as well as in geological processes where minerals such as quartz and calcite can be cemented together to form sedimentary rock. Overall, cementation plays an important role in creating strong and lasting structures and substances both in human-made and natural environments.